Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Trish. For today's video, I wanted to do a simple basic makeup tutorial that's still super pretty but very easy to achieve. I used a few products, nothing too expensive. It only took me a few minutes, so I'm sure this will be an easy tutorial for you guys to follow. But let me know in the comments what you guys think, and I hope you enjoy this video. Please keep on watching. Of course, we're going to start things off with our brows, and for that I am going to be taking my Instant Lift brow pencil from e.l.f. and this is in the shade Deep Brown. I'm just brushing through my brow hairs and then I'm going to outline them and fill them in. Okay, so I've outlined and filled in my brows, and now I'm just going to clean them up with my concealer, and I'm going to be taking the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. Now this is completely unnecessary, but I'm going to set my brow hairs in place, and for that I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. Well Brow, and this is in the shade Brunette. I'm done with the brows, and now I'm going to go ahead and prime my face, and for that I'm using my Revlon Rose Glow Illuminating Primer. You could just use a powdered foundation, which would be way easier, but I am going to be using a foundation, and so of course I have to prime my skin first. For coverage, I'm going to go in with my NARS Natural Radiant Long Wearing Foundation and my e.l.f. Total Face Sponge. Now, because this is for an everyday makeup, I am not going to use a lot of foundation. I just want something to even out my skin tone, so I don't need the full coverage. Now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Hydrating Camera Concealer just to brighten up my under eye and my forehead. Now I'm going to take that same sponge and blend that concealer out, and then I'm going to set it with my Marcel Translucent Powder. Now I'm just going to go ahead and set the rest of my face, and I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 355 Coconut and a fluffy brush. I do have a new one, I just don't want to get up and get it, so I'm going to have to make this one work. I want to add a little bit more color back to my face, so I'm going to take my NYX California Beamin' Bronzer, and I'm just going to lightly dust this around the contours of my face. Now this is a shimmer powder, which I am not really a fan of because I do have a lot of scarring and texture from acne, so I definitely don't want to be highlighting that. But I don't know, I kind of just wanted to use this bronzer just because I haven't used it in so long. But yeah, shimmer products definitely aren't my favorite, but I think this bronzer is so pretty though. I'm just going to add a tiny bit of blush on my cheeks. I'm just going back through and resetting those hairs in the face. Of course, for an everyday look, we're not going to be doing any shadows, so I'm just going to use some mascara, and I'm just going to go ahead and coat my lashes. And I'm using my Essence Lash Princess mascara. Now you could go ahead and pop some lashes on if you want to, but because this video is dedicated to those of you who are just getting into makeup, I am kind of assuming that you wouldn't know how to put lashes on. But if you are familiar with how to do that, then go ahead, by all means, do what you want, it's your face. But I am just gonna go ahead and do just the mascara today, and that's gonna be our look. Now I'm just gonna pop on a lip color and we're done. Okay, I think I'm gonna go ahead and use my NYX. This is Milky Gloss, and this is a very simple look that's super easy to achieve. It's nothing too hard that you can't just follow along and do. So that's kind of why I wanted to do this, for those of you who have no idea what to do when it comes to makeup, who are just getting into it and just want a simple basic look for you to do each and every day. So that's kind of what I wanted to film for you today, and I hope you guys find this video helpful. And there it is, you guys. That's our look. Super simple, easy to achieve, didn't need a whole lot of products, and I think it came out so pretty. I didn't do a whole lot with the eyes, just a simple little bit of mascara, and that's it. We didn't go crazy in the lips either. We just added some gloss. For that, I actually used my NYX. This is Milky Gloss in the shade Moody Peach. I think it came out so pretty. It's a very simple everyday makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let me know in the comments what videos you'd love to see me do next, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.